Having trouble sending voice messages on WhatsApp with your Android device can be frustrating, especially if you use voice messages for quick communication. The issue could be due to app permissions, network problems, or a corrupted cache. Don't worry though, there are a few simple steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Here's how you can resolve WhatsApp voice messages not sending or stuck on loading on Android. Before following anything, open Setting. Scroll down. Tap Developer option. Scroll down. Tap Graphic Driver. Scroll down to bottom. Tap WhatsApp. Select System Graphic Driver. Find out Wi-Fi scan throttling. Scroll down. Also enable Always Mobile Data Active. Now restart your Android device. Mostly doing this will solve your problems, but if you still have issues, then follow this process. Solution 1. Check permissions for WhatsApp. Open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down and tap the apps. Find WhatsApp and tap it. Select Permissions. Ensure microphone and storage permissions are enabled. Solution 2. Check for your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open a browser and run a speed test to check if the internet is stable. If the connection is weak, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if the issue persists. Solution 3. Clear cache for WhatsApp. Tap and hold the WhatsApp. Tap the I option. Look for storage. Tap Clear Cache. Now also remove the WhatsApp from your background apps. Swipe up from the bottom. Remove WhatsApp from here. Once you've completed all the steps, you should be able to fix any problems with WhatsApp voice messages not sending on your Android device. If you're still facing issues, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.